Summer's here, and of course we all lose our glasses all the time. Well, I'm gonna find you guys a replacement. Check these out. You know who they remind me of? One of my favorite wrestlers, Macho Man, used to wear these all the time. Now these are a little bit more, you know, stronger because they're made of silicone on this area, if you guys can see that. And this is good for the ears because I got bigger head. These are flexible glasses. Now, one thing I did find in an issue is that these ends right here might not be compatible with everybody, because of course everybody's nostril entry is a little bit different than everyone else. But I noticed that you could replace this, you could remove them too. It doesn't have to be just like it came with it. Now the styles of it, it's a baby blue, but of course they have different brands, different styles, different looks, pretty much anything. Now, like I said, it's all flexible. It's perfect for outing. It's perfect for those that go fishing. And this is a great way to cover half of your face. And of course, sometimes that's our biggest fault, that we don't take protection for our face when it's summer. But this thing, not only is it stylish, but it's also protecting your face from anything else. And because I'm a bald guy, I wear a hat most of the times, and this is a perfect profile for anybody that's working for some great fitting glasses. And I do have a large head, and also normally when I'm looking for glasses, I can't find any. And these, like I said, they strap on, they grip to your head, and they're easily less to fall. So hope you guys enjoy this video.